Alaska Airlines is the fifth largest airline in the United States, and our goal is to be the premier airline for people in the West Coast. The commerce organization at Alaska Airlines has really two big goals. One is to continue to drive guest satisfaction. The other big goal is for us to be able to test and learn. We believe that any code that isn't in production is waste.
The shopping experience was originally a traditional web application hosted in our own data center in a collection of physical machines. Some of the challenges that presented was the maintenance of those machines, having to be involved in the care and feeding of a computer and the operating system and network updates, hardware failures. Running our applications on Azure unlocks a lot of possibilities in terms of how we're able to deploy. It allows us to iterate more rapidly. We're able to experiment with a lot of different things and find what works best to serve our guests and give them the best experience. Breaking down our systems into microservices has enabled us to start taking pieces that are good candidates and moving them up into the cloud.
Containers give you peace of mind about how you get your code out and how stable it is once it's out. We use Azure Service Fabric to make sure once those containers are running that we can easily put new versions out, that they still run, and when our demands grow, that it grows with it. We wanted to make sure that we could roll out new versions safely, and if there was a problem, that we could easily roll back. We also wanted to make sure that if something were to go wrong, let's say a computer were to not work, that Azure Service Fabric would save the day and restart that service. We also use the Visual Studio Team Services build pipeline to compile our code to make sure that it's working, run tests, and then package up our Docker images. We upload those Docker images to Azure Container Registry.
I think the biggest win for us recently was last Cyber Monday. It was hassle-free. We could scale up and down without any fear, and we were able to have completely uninterrupted service for our guests. We grow customer loyalty by providing an awesome e-commerce experience. Our guests use our website, our kiosks, our mobile devices, and our goal is to have a simple, easy-to-use experience for those guests. We have to continually enhance and learn and test those experiences to make sure that they're the greatest they can be. By using Azure, we're able to get ideas out to market faster and to test and see how our guests experience them and see if they move the needle on our business objectives.